Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today's video is going to start off a little bit different. I thought that I would just stop in and introduce myself. I am Kalisa and this is my channel, the Cure by Kalisa. I started in this nail thing for myself. I began making press-ons for myself before COVID shut everything down. And once that happened, I started making press-ons for other people. I have shipped my press-ons all over the United States, and since then, I have transitioned over to full cover extensions. So I like to do beginner-friendly nail art. I like to do things that can be easily followed. I like to give helpful hints and tips. And yeah, that's my channel. I do upload videos every Wednesday, anywhere between 3 p.m. and 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So this is me. I appreciate you all so much for being here. If there's anything that you want to see, feel free to leave it down below in the comments. And I do try to respond to all the comments that I see when I'm able. Again, I appreciate you all so much for being here. I wanted to say, we reached 1,000 subscribers, y'all. A whole lot. Actually 1,022 as of the recording of this video. But wait. This is what's crazy, right? If you're here, right, and you're watching this video and you haven't hit the subscribe button, you know how crazy that's weird. That's weird. You're here. Just hit the button. Hit the subscribe button. If you like my content, if you want more of my content, just hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate it. I thank you all so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all again soon in the next one. Bye.
Gentlemen, it's something about this girl, man. From around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings? But it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say.
Hey everybody, welcome to the video. Thank you all so much for watching. Today is going to be, of course, another Watch Me Work, and I've already applied my client's full cover extensions. These are the Apres Long Natural Square, and my client did send in a few inspo photos, but she told me I could do whatever I wanted to do, and so I just took some of the elements from those photos to create this set for her. There's a lot of bling on this set, but not my typical structured bling placement. I didn't have to set these rhinestones up in advance the way I typically do, because I'm just kind of, free forming them in clusters on her nails. So I did create a custom rhinestone and pearl mix for her for this set, and they didn't need to be, set up. So that's about it. I also did some airbrush ombre on her middle fingers. I did not do that on camera. I will have a video showing how I mix my acetone and gel polish, but in this particular video I did not, show that on camera. But again, thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for helping me make it to 1,000 subscribers. I am so very grateful. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. And I will see you all soon again in the next one. Bye.